the president has agreed with me ya kwamba madeni ya kahawa ile iko na cooperative societies na unions na SACCOs, the same way the government has waived debts for sugarcane farmers, the same will apply to coffee farmers. Next week, when the president is back from the United States, we are going to bring a cabinet memo. Tumemwambia Waziri Chelugui atayarishe, tukuje tupitishe kwa cabinet, so that we waive all those debts, so that we have a fresh start. I've come to pay my respect to my teacher, my mentor, my friend, a great man, a man who molded us to be what we are today through great leadership and mentorship. A great man who have transformed many people into responsible Kenyans and great minds. And this great teacher knew how to spot talent. He could tell from far what is your line. Anita, kuja. Ninataka wigie debating club. Naona your power of debate iko sawa. Mwalimu akaniingisha hapo debating club. Kakuwa wasichana ya Kabare wakija, Giriabu Gaos, Karoti, pale tunawanyorosha kwa maneno. Huyu mwalimu huyu akatuangalia mambo ya drama, sema ingia hapo. Mambo ya volleyball, ingia hapo. This man noticed the debating prowess in me when I was in Form 2 in 1979. And he told me, Geoffrey, I was called Geoffrey then, wewe, I want you to be a good debater. Na siku moja itakuokoa. Wewe kaa hapo kwa debating, one day you remember me. So, as fate would have it, nikakuwa running mate ya President William Ruto.